Hello, everybody. Welcome to Market Insights. Today, we are going to discuss about palm oil rally analysis, future stock prices movements. Between update yesterday and today updates are reduced the interest rate by 0.25% to 25 basis points. Bank of England has done some. China has revealed the $14 trillion plan to bail out industry. We are no longer talking about billions. Now in India has two choices to do something about it, to not do something about it. That will decide it where stock market hurt, where it's is head to very large extent. Otherwise, we are going to behind 2 years from the other countries, which are doing everything then they can right now, and us we unleash a lot of new stuff as soon as Mr. Trump goes to office. There is one now. I keep studying on a micro data, and today I figure out something about palm oil and went back in history. 2 years back we had the worst inflation hit in the country. The thing had went up at the time 2022. I'm talking about palm oil. They never come back. Palm oil has come back significantly in the price, but the price never reduced in the country for the commodities or the product that consume that palm oil. Will talk about palm oil story. Today palm oil is boiling yet again. There is a lot of data today graph reason why this boil is happening. I will talk specially about Adana Wilbur, because palm oil, the biggest importer in the country is Adani Wilmer. An impact on history and whole typically don't like stock, which has low reducing FID holding. This one I like because the public holding is just 11%, half of this Adani, half of this Wilbur International. So if there is a big buying, then there is a nothing much flood around now. The graph may suggest today was a better day than yesterday. However, at least I feel that today was worse than yesterday. Today was best performance was that was trying to take Nifty up to 24% by Reliance alone was not enough. 64% down pull just from Reliance overall. In Hindustan Unilever, ATFC and Titan, they were trying to take 90 up Asian points trend. Reliance was at same position yesterday. Also, Nifty next 50 looks more or less same yesterday. At the top we had Simon Storen, Perma, LTI, United Spirit and ABB, but the tail was long. 43 stocks down. At the size of these pillar micro mother IRFA into Gale, they were dragging next 50 down most. The tail were more or less look like yesterday. The perfect profit zone also look more or less same now. Some of you might wonder why this is not changing a lot. This is score that drive the graph which is appearing here. See differ side industrial retail. The score relative in the last few days is 63%. Right now Excel crash and I lost 7 data for diversified retail right now. 98% Muon's coil is Muon's 90%. This is a real-time data get updated daily, and weightage of last date is 1 then 95% and so on. This keep on reducing by 0.5%, which that means is a stock which is are up today. They are carrying more weight in this overall calculation. That's the uptrend, and stock which is down today. A lot of example, renewable energy as a sector that down more today, so that will carry a huge negative weight. So if you are wondering why renewable energy is down so as a sector, then it is general speculate or thought that as soon as Mr. Trump come to office day 1, he will reduce the spend on renewable energy and a government subsidiable part or government spend part to 0. And a 90 today, 90 bank, 90 these charts don't mean anything. 2%, 7% in today time is nothing. What matter is Reliance. This is where it closed yesterday. Open nearly what is closed 1.7%. That's the largest stock in the country. On the other hand, Infosys was totally reverse. This is where probably fee is bought today has more down than up, but today it was up 1.3%. HDFC continues up, but ICC balanced. It's completely down the value of line, where 50% more than usually. SBI also thought it fell after the result, the volume, where 70% more bank. Nifty only HDFC Bank was looking good today. The green zone are interactive. The private banking dashboard is a worse sea of red federal hit. Another high today. It's difficult to keep meal as well down these days. In today's market, also it was up 7%. In fact, it was up nearly 10%, and then it come down a bit. Look at the volume. 373 is very far off still from its 52 weeks high. There is a lot more go. BSC, which was up a lot yesterday because the MSCI inclusive that come down 3.7%. It's continued to be a BFC record 2.1% down today. Also talk about sitting credit. Yesterday the result come today somewhere around 3 o'clock. It's immediately hit a 52. We low down earlier, and it's difficult to imagine what Zemoda will do. Specific day and is up to down by 4%. At latest, every day presented hit another high today, very earlier in the day. Mahindra is celebrating the result 3% up. Tata Motors result. We are not looking good. I don't think the bad result are factored in the Tata Motors numbers right now. Defense all red and a lot of retail will defense in their portfolio today. It was sales turn to fall, a lot of 2.2% down. Hindustan Zinc, Vedana, they seem to be stabilized for now. Divided yield is over 10 now. IOC, BPCL down anywhere between 2.5 to 3.5. Reliance, the big boy, down 1.3%. Divided yield and getting close to 10.5. Now Premier Energy recovered a little today, but War Energy was down another 6% as long as down. Tata Power, Coal, Adani Green Power, all of them were down. Have a nice day. Bye bye.